Do you want a natural moisturizer you are so sure of and what it's made from? Then this video is for you. And excuse me, if you've not subscribed to this channel up to now, no, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your thought in comment section, and be rest assured that we will address every of your challenge. So let's go. The base for today's video for this moisturizer is aloe vera gel, and on the screen you will see the benefits of aloe vera gel. It's anti-aging, dark spot removal, skin brightening, cooling effects, and it has gentle feelings on your skin. Next is vitamin C and E. Alright, so vitamin C here we are using Dr. Rachel vitamin C nourishing repairing body oil, because this you can use it for your face and your body. We are doing 3-in-1 on this video and you have so much to grab. Alright, next one we're doing is aloe vera gel and honey. You already know the function of aloe vera gel on your skin. Now this is for honey. Honey normally is a natural moisturizer. It hydrates your skin. It helps treat acne, as an anti-inflammatory. It is on the screen, so you can always screenshot it and check it out what you want. It glows, it exfoliates, it's a natural skin remedy, it's anti-aging. There are so many things, benefits your skin will have from honey. By using 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of honey, then you mix very well. See me, I trying it on my skin. It is very effective. Do this and do it every day for 2 weeks. You will see how edible your skin will be looking. I tell you, I lie not. Next we are doing is aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon, and coconut oil, then turmeric. If your skin is prone to acne, please do away with the coconut oil and do only aloe vera gel and turmeric. Mix very well. Get your container, put it in your container that is airtight, and leave it. You don't need to wash this one off. It's optional. If you want to wash it off, it's fine. You can leave it on your skin, from your head, from your face to your neck. Any way you want to apply it on your skin, you are covered. Alright, then you can always sleep over with it. It's better done in the night. These things are night moisturizing creams. Alright, it's a nice moisturizer. I think that's the right thing to say. Okay, so this is it. Turmeric, honey, and vitamins. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.